Hi, it's Chef Trina again, here with another cool recipe for your curbside meals. One item, or actually three items, that you'll see quite often in your curbside meals is our bean and cheese burrito, our red gold mild salsa, and our Land O'Lakes ultimate cheese dip. Eaten separately, of course, they're yummy yummy, but why not take these ingredients and make a meal? So we're going to take these and we're going to make a bean and cheese enchilada. Okay? So all we did, and once again, three simple ingredients that you will find in your curbside meals. We've got our burrito, we've got our cheese cup, and our roll gold sauce. All you're going to do, these burritos can be heated in the bag, but since we're going to do kind of an enchilada style, we're going to put it right on our plate with a bit of our salsa. And once again, this can be done in the microwave or the oven. Microwave, maybe 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oven, maybe 3-4 minutes. That's all this is going to take. All of the ingredients in our burritos are pre-cooked, so there's nothing raw here. And once we've got our salsa, take some of our cheese and we're going to pour it right over top. And don't worry if it's a little clumpy. Once we warm this baby up, everything's going to come together nicely. And one more little dollop. And since I'm in front of the oven, we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven. And yes, this container is oven proof. We've got it on 350, and we're going to give it maybe 2 minutes because we want that cheese to melt down into that salsa. And we want to make sure our burrito is at a temperature of 165 on the inside. Okay? Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes since we put our burrito in the oven with our cheese sauce and our mild salsa. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out so you can see what it looks like. Right. So as you can see, the cheese is nice and bubbly. Your mild salsa has been warmed through. Your cheese sauce is melted down. And we can kind of eat that like you would a single serve enchilada. Now parents, this does work very well if you're cooking for more than one child. Same idea, except you would use a larger pan. Lay out your burritos, pour that salsa right over top, cheese sauce right over top, pop that whole pan in the oven, and now you've got dinner.